Are you looking to grow up your skills? You have come to a right place. Luthando Skills and Training is there for you. We provide professional development and learning for professional skills like strategy, management and leadership, finance and accounting, HR management, project management, contracts management, procurement and supply chain, maintenance engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, technical, oil and gas courses, health safety and security. Our training programs are suitable for professionals at all levels in any industry. The training courses and seminars are conducted at exciting locations which include Durban, Johannesburg, Port Elizabeth, Cape Town, Mozambique, Kenya, Botswana, Zambia, Dubai, and the United Arab Emirates. Our industry-experienced consultants will transfer their knowledge to you and help you and your organization achieve your personal and business objectives. Luthando Skills and Training, bridging the gap between academia and industry. Contact us today for more information.